What is up, guys? This is Nate, and today I just want to give a quick update on my guns. So ever since I posted that one video where I showed the trigger response of my M4, I've made a few changes to both of my guns, especially this MP5 right here. But as for the M4, I actually changed the motor. I changed the frankentorque into a SHS 16 TPA motor. So now this thing actually shoots at the same trigger response as with the frankentorque, but it shoots like near 30, 35 RPS. So I got it hooked up to this 11.1, about 25C discharge LiPo battery. So this is the semi. So it's just as responsive as with the frankentorque, so that's why I switched to the SHS. So this is full auto. Really fast. Now as for the MP5, I put the frankentorque that was in my M4 into this MP5, so this has some pretty good trigger response, as well as I put some 13-to-1 SHS gears, a gate Aster MOSFET, SHS full metal piston, and everything else I think is stock Tokyo Marui. Oh, and the gearbox is actually VFC. So we got this MP5 hooked up to that same 11.1 battery. So let's hear it on semi. Now this is full. So it's a pretty reasonable trigger response and rate of fire. Now as for accuracy parts, both of these guns have Prometheus purple buckings, but this gun has a Lonex hop-up chamber as well as a ZCI inner barrel, which is 6.02 diameter. This only has the stock Tokyo Marui inner barrel and hop-up unit because I don't think they sell upgraded hop-up units for this type of MP5, so it works for now. Unfortunately, I don't have my WE High Kappa 5.1 Dragon anymore. That thing broke, so I sold it to someone for $50 on hop up. But instead, I got this KJW P229, and it came with 3 mags, 2 of them being extended, and also came with this hardshell holster. Now you can see that this mag is orange on the tip. That's because it came with the feed lips broken, so I just went on Thingiverse and I found a file that has the P229 feed lips and printed out off my 3D printer using orange PLA, and it seems to be holding up. I tested it with a couple rounds and it doesn't seem to show any wear. So I guess you could say that I kind of completed my Echo loadout, considering I already have the cosplay for it. So I can't wait to bring this on the field because it actually shoots really well. Alright, so that is it for this video. I kind of wish I could go to VIP sooner, but because of this whole pandemic, I'm kind of not taking the risk and not going. But anyways, like to see you guys later, and signing off.